I wake up, flex, thumb down that check. No drip, this wet. Tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up. I wake up, flex.
What up, guys? Welcome back to the backyard park. It is crazy busy because of the Christmas holiday crowd, you know, and so we figured why not do a backyard session again. Also, we're running out of dentist appointment this morning, so we weren't going to get anything fresh. So we have one very important thing to start off the day with: waxing the rail. We got the ski dock here with his blowtorch. He's going to heat up the rail and then we can melt the wax onto it. So the wax that we threw on the rails is also just the wax we throw on our snowboard, Pearl Wax. This is my wax sponsor. If you guys need wax for your boards, you want to tune up your own gear, everything like that, pearlwax.com. They have a whole wax starter kit, everything like that. So pearlwax.com, code BUCK15 will save you 15% off all your wax. Or if you don't want to wax it yourself, just call the ski dock. He'll come and wax you up. He won't use that when he waxes your board.
Maybe.
I mean, if you need it. We're gonna start off with the session on this rail, so the entry level, like learn to. We're gonna film a couple how-to videos today for you guys because it's January and we want to remake a bunch of our how-to videos because I've gotten better at coaching. I've also got better at snowboarding. We have so many new people to the channel and you guys need some how-to videos. So we're gonna do how-to videos, also make a great vlog, definitely do some lines. And we were thinking about getting the sled out here, maybe for another day.
Yeah, maybe for another day. Might get yelled at.
Yeah, just do some sled laps until we get our tow rope up and running. And yeah, it's gonna be a sick day. So enough talking, enough rambling. Let's send it. Oh, Shelby, you almost died. Woo! Let's go. So something I'm doing, which sucks for hiking back up, but every time I land, I'm going further before I stop packing down our snow in our backyard park. Because we want it all packed down. The more it's packed down, the more likely it's gonna stick around. So trying to walk through chunkier piles, trying to stop further. Make sure we have snow a lot longer. Yeah, dog. Okay, so the other day when we got all this snow, we did a bunch of the work, and what we did is we pulled a lot of the excess snow and put it in the landing because we, one, want a soft landing, but two, that's where it's going to get blown out first is the landing. So we had to add some more snow there so we have the most amount of snow in our landing. But in the process of doing that, we got a couple bumps. We got to get rid of the bumps. So we got the shovel. We need to go get rid of a bump. By far the hardest working YouTube channel on the internet. Claiming it. About to ramp this trick game up a whole nother level. That one felt too good. Let's go. All right, guys, the ski dock is out of here. He's got a nice fancy date. A beautiful woman leaving us boys behind. But we're going to Steamboat tomorrow for what could be 30 inches of powder.
It's gonna be epic.
I'm so excited.
Jonathan's got me getting up at like 5 in the morning. I never do that.
Gotta get that pow. But once again, if you need a tune, hit up the ski dock. He's in Denver every single Tuesday, but if you're in Summit County, you can hit him up on his Instagram. He has a book now, little link and everything. It's in the description of this video. Book now, book your day, and the ski dock will come to your house, your car, wherever you are.
Get you all tuned up, ready for the season.
Let's go. See you, buddy. All right, that was an insane session on this little rail. Once again, this is like the warm up, learn tricks on rail. It's perfect for all of that. Now we're going to go to the tube, the down tube, the heavy rail, big boy rail, and I was grinding out front boards the last time we rode the backyard park. Today I did a bunch of them, I did a bunch of back lips. So now let's take the front board to the down tube, the harder rail to do, because we want our front boards to be money. It was like the one board slide, or the one trick this season that I just wasn't feeling confident in. Start to get in the backyard park and get it back. So here we go. So before we hit this big gnarly rail, we gotta mention a big gnarly thing, and that is today's sticker shout out. We got Geo with the Snow Camo Evolution sticker on the helmet, man, looking insane. As well as we got MediaMay.SB with the Evolution fanny pack, Evolution hoodie, and Evolution sticker, dude. Supporting the channel hardcore. Guys, thank you so much for snagging Evolution stickers. If you're a skier and you watch this channel, we do have a ski version of the Evolution sticker, but we also got to mention today's goggle shout out, even though I'm not rocking them because we're hiking. We got 318_MFG with the Evolution goggles. Look how sick those things are. Seeing those on you guys makes me so happy. So thank you to everyone that's grabbing the Khuno Optic Johnathan Buckhouse Pro Series goggles. Those are still available. They're linked in the description. Thank you to everyone that snagged them, and if you snagged them before and they got refunded, there's a whole mess. I covered it on the live stream, but they are available once again. So snag the goggles and you won't be disappointed. They're super sick. But of course, we got the windbreakers, not the camo one. We got the blue with the gold and then the collar, and then we have a black with white with the hood. Those are all linked in the description, as well as the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves. You guys snagging the merch is how we are able to have a backyard park. It's how I'm able to rent this property with 2 acres of us so we can just snowboard and rip and everything like that. So guys, thank you so much for supporting the dream, allowing us to do this, plus all the traveling is about to happen, and I've fund that through all the Evolution sticker purchases and stuff like that. So guys, and if you do snag any of the merch, tag me on my Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs, but also follow them for bonus extra content. The Instagram is like, the stories are really great, really awesome, but apparently you guys like the TikTok better because we just hit 100,000 followers on TikTok before we did on YouTube. I must be a TikToker now or something. Comment down below, am I a TikToker or YouTuber? Am I both? Someone the other day was like, you're not a TikToker or YouTuber, you're a snowboarder. And I was like, ah, dude, man, I hit that platform with my heart. But yeah, we're blowing up on TikTok, we're blowing up on Instagram. So follow those 2 platforms as well. We are literally making extra content for those places. All right, enough talking. It's on the front board, this guy. We gotta warm it up a bit. I think I like the rails when they got a little bit of water on them. So let's get them wet a little bit. Just a little bit makes it slide. I sunk in the landing. Nice. That was it. That was the front board that I've been wanting, that I know it was within me, but you just get rusty with front boards, or you lose your confidence with them if you're not doing them all the time, and you just come out here and just time after time, just go. Like, oh, I gotta tweak this, I gotta do this a little bit more, I gotta get that back leg. I just, all these little tips. I did make a how to front board video if you want to get into them, but one of the biggest tips with front boards is doing them a lot. It's the only way to be good and consistent with them. But we'll do a couple more because one, they feel really good. Kind of want to like lock that muscle memory in. Then we gotta go fix the kicker on that bottom tube, and we'll session the corrugated for a second. It'll be fun. Here we go, a couple more. I think this backyard park might truly be magical because we have clouds everywhere, but all day today we've had sun. There's like one little strip. We're like in the eye of the storm, just getting sunlight while we have a sick backyard session. And no wind, which is like super windy today, so stoking. There you go. Also, the little homie from the channel, his handle is Shoe Taco, hooked us up with this incredible backyard map, and I don't know how he got it so spot on from the videos, but he nailed it. So we have a Buckhouse backyard trail map now, but also we're gonna print off like a big like resort map of it. We're gonna put it in the yard. So we have like the bench, we have the map, and I know we're gonna mix up the rails eventually, but I know, I just thought it was so cool. Thank you so much, Shoe Taco, for that. And if you want to get that on a shirt, and tell me if we made maps, like we got like legit resort maps. Like obviously it's just for like a poster, essentially it'd be a poster. Are you interested in that? We can make that available as well, like a poster slash like resort map of the Buckhouse backyard. Could be sick, I don't know. So while we're in the backyard park, I'm always gonna drop little backyard tips or kicker tips or tips for you guys. That's what we do on this channel. So subscribe for all the tips, but also to join the strongest ski and snowboard community on the internet. But so Cody built this kicker, and Cody does know that it's too high for the rail. So, and a great way to tell is, you know, if the snowboard's coming at it, like look at how high that is. What we want is it to be like an inch taller than the rail for like a ride-on feature like this. So we need to take this guy about to that height right there. So we'll come through, kind of take some of this guy, and it's fine that it was built taller because we'll just work our way down and take this snow and fill the belly of the jump. That way we have this nice flat entrance and it doesn't feel like we're coming in and then ramping up to the rail either. So we just take the snow, scrape it downwards, and then this kicker will be good to go in like 2 minutes. All right, so she's all shaped up now. So now our trajectory onto the feature is more mellow. And that way we're not gonna get a nice violent plop when we get on it. It's gonna feel just like smooth. Let's get a quick session in on this guy. Went right for it. Let's go. Oh, you had it! That was sick! See? Oh, so scary. So I know what a lot of you guys are thinking too, like this corrugated looks gnarly and you think you'd like catch your edge in here and there's a bunch of snow chill in it, but honestly, this is a super forgiving feature. If you don't psych yourself out with the rivets, you honestly can, it's like a box. It's that easy. So give a corrugated a try. I promise you will love it once you learn how to rip that rail. All right, Cody, you got this board slide, dude. Yeah, so sick. That's the trick I gotta learn. Back one on, but we got a backyard park to do it. Woo.
Kenny showed you up and he's not even here.
Nice. Oh, close. Run it back. Do it one more time. There you go, get it. There you go. You can count it. You rode away. All right, guys. Oh, the wind's starting to pick up too. So as you can tell, we built this awesome kicker, but the original lineup didn't work well with this kicker here. So we had to move everything up. So basically we need to cut this kicker in half, take this half and put it over here, and we'll be good to go. So let's get to digging. The shovel! What? See, the issue is, it's so, it is so C. The C of all C's is this C. But that's today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the backyard stuff. Please comment down below. What do you think of the backyard sessions? Are they sick? Or do you want to see us at ski resorts? Even if you want to see us at ski resorts, we're going to be having backyard sessions because it's convenient, it's sick, it's what we need to get better at snowboarding, and it's just cool because this will turn from a backyard to a ski resort one day, and I cannot wait. So once again, that's from your guys' support. and subscribe and all that type of stuff, guys. But with that, thank you so much for shredding with me and Cody today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video because it's daily on this channel.